Writing formulas for binary ionic compounds. What we're going to do first is find the symbol for our cation, which will always be the one that is named first, and then find the symbol for our anion, the one that's named second. You do this by looking at your periodic table. If we look at a periodic table, this is beryllium, Be. We also want to pay attention to the charge, 2+. So beryllium is Be, 2+. Now we'll go take a look for fluoride. Fluoride is on the right-hand side of the periodic table. Its symbol is a capital F, and its charge is 1-. So this will be F-. To write our formula, what we do is we can use the cross-down method. So the number that the F has, which is a 1, can cross down to become what's called the subscript for beryllium. So the formula would become Be. Now in chemistry, we don't write 1s down, so I'm not going to write the 1 down. Then the 2 that the beryllium has will cross down and become the subscript for fluorine. So we have our F and the 2. This is our formula, BeF2. We always have to include our state of matter, and since this is an ionic compound, it will be a solid. Okay, the next one that's up is sodium nitride. So our cation will be sodium. It is here on the periodic table, Na, and its charge is 1+. So we will have Na+. And nitride is on the right-hand side of the periodic table, a capital N with a charge of 3-. So N, 3-. To write our formula, we will take each of those ions and use the cross-down method. So the 3 that the nitride has is going to cross down and become the subscript for sodium. So it becomes Na3. And then the 1 that sodium has will cross down and become the subscript for nitrogen, so N. We do not need to write that 1 down. Then we finish off for writing our formula by writing our state of matter, which will be a solid. Okay, so our final formula is Na3N solid.